My name is Michael DeYoung, and I'm a continuous improvement engineer for the Pella site, and I've been working for the business for over a year now. Typically, I start my morning by reviewing metrics with our department managers across the site, and then I also am following up with my CI techs that I get to partner with every day.
My name is Sarah Kempker. I am a senior team leader here at Pella Corporation, and I've been here for 4 years. They really focus on individual development and really help me grow my career.
I'm Richard Russell. I'm an engineer in our Intelligent Operations Group, and I've been at Pella for about 2 years. So our Intelligent Operations Group is really kind of taking our IT solutions and being able to implement on the floor for someone like our factory hourly staff to be able to utilize, as well as kind of our department manager staff to really get insights into things that they aren't quite familiar with.
My name is Krishanti Ganesamurthy. I am a process engineer on the corporate quality team, and I've been here a little over a year. Pella has this never-ending thirst to be the best. That makes me proud to be part of a company that's investing in developing not just our technology, but the people themselves.
My name is Ben Van Zanny. I'm a senior engineering team leader on the wood and fiberglass RTS Scrum team, and I've been with Pella for 25 years. I love the fact that there is no typical day for me. Everything is different every day of the week. There's new challenges and things that come up each day.
We start our team with a daily stand-up meeting where we get together, we see what's planned for our day, what roadblocks could prevent us from completing our work, and figuring out how do we tackle those roadblocks.
Every week I have a meeting scheduled with the plant owners where we review how their program's doing internally, what the challenges are, and things like that.
There are so many different opportunities that you can go after and explore. It can be in product design, it could be in process engineering, it could be manufacturing, it could be intelligent operations, it could be working with our IT systems.
There's just a lot of collaboration across kind of all the business groups. We're really trying to just win the day.